everybody, so today I am eating blue food coloring, but I also have a special guest.
Hi guys, it's me, Rashaya.
And then she's gonna be eating the blue noodles. It's in the microwave right now. So yeah. So right now we finna look for a bowl.
These are not all the dishes we have, guys.
Yeah,
They
some
have
in there,
ours.
some in there. I'm having this one, yeah, this one. Okay. And we're
Because
also,
we have plenty of food coloring though. We
Yeah.
have red, green, blue.
okay, it's
yellow.
done. Rashaya's gonna go to the restroom. Just gonna get it out, get that ready.
I'm going to set up the camera. They're not done.
Hold on 3 minutes.
Yes.
Maybe you put too much water in it.
Okay. So, we have this. That's why I got water. This is red food coloring, but it got a red, it got a green, it got a yellow.
Okay, so next time, comment down below if y'all want us to do green, red, and yellow. Today we are doing blue noodles. Because they are done. Take them out. Take them out and see how it looks. And then, now I'm finna get the hot sauce. The hot sauce.
These are not done.
Just take them out. Just take them out. No hot sauce, great. But it's not really the noodles. Then it's gonna be nasty. This is a bad time to. I think we might have to redo all of these because there's no hot sauce. There's no hot sauce. Okay, so far as looking like it's no hot sauce. So yeah. I have the hot sauce to make it taste good. I don't have the hot sauce. This is really tasty. Plain noodles. Okay. Got the packet. Sorry, you have to okay, let's spread that around. Can you please take that recorder so they can see everything? We need another packet. We need another food packet. Okay. These are the noodles. Y'all see that smoke?
There you go.
Appreciate it, Mom. That.
We can put some of this in there.
Is it good?
No, this not good. We could put some. I like this one, man.
Have you ever tasted it?
Yes. It's
Okay, we're gonna put it.
not. She's up. We're gonna put. We'll put a lot. You put some of this in there. Okay.
It's not coming out. It wasn't coming out. Okay,
Yeah,
there.
hold it. Okay, put some of this in there.
Okay.
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 And a little bit of sprinkle. Okay. I mean, not pepper. Salt. Yeah.
Okay, you do not want to die. Okay. Now, show the camera so they can see. It's being blue. Okay. The mode that we all been for. The blueness.
Okay. Okay, now mix it.
Sorry. Okay, now you're gonna transform it to this. Blue juice. I think we need a little bit more. Let's give it a little bit more. Look at this, y'all. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm gonna put a little bit more of this on my stuff. Okay. Here, put some more of this.
We want it to be extra goody.
Okay.
And some pepper. So it can be heady. Here.
Okay.
Oh my god, that juice just spilled all over me. It's like some Chinese fillet.
Okay.
No, we're not using forks. We're using sticks. Look
Okay,
for
where's
some
the sticks
sticks. Look for some sticks in there.
Here.
In there. If there's no sticks, I'm mad. Over here, look. Looky. I want to be like Johnny Wee.
Nope, it ain't no stick.
They played us. Okay, 1, 2, 3. She choking.
Okay.
Show them you eating them.
Okay.
Look at the noodles. It's so true. Do you think it's nasty?
No. It's need some hot sauce.
It's sour. Oh shoot. But it's hot. Can you put the peppers in it?
Oh, I was whistling up your stuff. My lip is blue. Look.
My teeth is blue.
No hairs in the food.
What if I comment down below if this get 100 likes, I'll dye my hair blue.
I dyed my hair red.
Oh man, mine red. Looks like a crap.
Some of blood. Almost choked. Oh man, I need some more water.
Okay, give me some water.
Yeah.
It's literally blue juice dripping down my chin. My cup is right there. Put some ice in it. Oh shoot.
Where's your cup?
It's right there. Put some ice in it.
Okay. Want to try green or red? Red.
Next time we're trying green.
Okay, I'm gonna get it one more bite. One more bite.
Give me something to drink. Man. Okay, that's it. We're gonna stop eating it for now. I was sucking in the noodles. Guys, look at this. It's food coloring everywhere on me. And then Rashia's giving us our drinks right here. So, yeah. Got my refreshing water.
And I have my refreshing water.
And I got my glass cup. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
We both have to bend down. Oh my god.
I'm putting that some see. We're almost done. This is good.
But it was too sour.
I'm good.
Okay.
It's too hot for me. Wait, hold up. It's too hot for me. Looking for